YouTube subscribers, back with part 2. This will be the transom video. You can see here that I've cut away the back of the boat and moving the engine mount forward about 16 inches. I will be re-fiberglassing and putting new plywood in to support the sides here. You can see that I also am fiberglassing in the sides of the engine well because they don't need to be as low as the original transom. I've got it here all fiberglassed back in, just basically some pieces of plywood on the sides, and I put a 2-inch piece of wood in the back for the engine to mount to. You can also see here that I'm going to be filling in the sides to the old engine well and refiberglassing and waterproofing this, and I'll be putting a swim grid over those sections to give me some storage underneath. I then moved into the inside of the boat and put the engine mount in completely, fiberglassed it all in, fiberglassed the ends, and finished up any fiberglassing and sanding that I needed to do on the outside. And once I had that all ready to go, I was ready to test mount the engine. Wanted to make sure that I had all the clearances needed, that it wasn't going to be hitting on the sides of the boat. So you can see the engine in the background here, and then we moved it onto the boat and bolted it up. I was checking to see also that I didn't have the engine too high. We run the engine about 3/4 to an inch above the bottom of the boat. This gives the most efficiency, so you're not dragging any of the leg in the water, or the least amount of the leg in the water. And once I had that all done, I then moved on to the Cuddy Cabin. You can see here that I started to put the Cutty Cabin on. I've got the base of the Cutty Cabin, the windshield on, and I'm just starting to do the top rails. Alright, so that's it for this video. I hope you guys enjoyed it. So if you could please subscribe so that you don't miss any further videos. Thanks for watching, guys.